Nigo aereirwo Okwegana Kwaye Ase Ogosukia uchumi ya Kenya gochia ase kerengo kende okwananiga nekebuna ekio keirire kogarigwa gwebara ya Nairobi Mau Summit nonyana boniga nekebuna nagendete gocioria amagendero ase geta abegenwa kumosira ili gosikia Kenya Bosio na Kwaye nekebuna ngokora gosechi sector nigo chabere chigonchoreria anene sector ya uchumi na boigo yechisemi maega yogoturubana ase amatuko amagega.
I want to encourage all of us to see the future of our country. I have great confidence in the future of Kenya. I have seen what God can do. 3 years ago, we were struggling with the economy, we were struggling with education. Our health system was not quite together. Our economy was not doing very well. But God has healed our economy. He has changed things for us. Day before yesterday, when I was launching the biggest road stretch of 175 kilometers, that's going to unlock the potential of half of our country. I was very proud that finally God is opening spaces for Kenya. We will be doing another 4 or 5 or 6 of those major infrastructure in the coming year, and many of the other things that we have laid out to do. I am asking you as members of my local church and as Christians to pray for the plans we have for Kenya so that God can make the difference in Kenya. I am very confident. I have no doubt in my mind that it is possible to move Kenya from a third world country to a first world country before I die. It's possible. In the next, by the time I get to 90, Kenya should be a first world country. Yes. And that is just about 30 years from now. It's possible. Others have done it. I am very confident we will do it. Just imagine, this church has moved from a tent to an area in 20-something years, almost 30 years. Who says Kenya cannot move from a third world to a first world in 30 years? We can do it. Yes. Believe you me, we will do it. Yes. Let's trust God. Let us believe in ourselves. And let us believe in our country. And God is going to see us through.